Hello everyone and a very warm welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring how baking soda water might offer surprising health benefits for seniors. Let's kick things off with digestive health, a topic that becomes increasingly important as we age. As we grow older, our digestive system can face various challenges, making it essential to find natural and effective ways to support it. Digestive health is a common concern as we age. Many seniors experience issues like indigestion, bloating, and discomfort, which can significantly impact their quality of life. Our digestive system breaks down food and absorbs nutrients, ensuring that our body gets the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to function properly. Stomach acid plays a crucial role in this process by helping to break down food and kill harmful bacteria. However, too much stomach acid can lead to discomfort like indigestion and bloating. This is where baking soda comes into play. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline substance that can neutralize excess stomach acid. This simple household item can provide quick relief from the discomfort caused by too much acid. When ingested in small amounts, baking soda can help alleviate indigestion and settle an upset stomach. It's a natural remedy that has been used for generations. Typically, a small amount like half a teaspoon in a glass of water is used. This mixture can help neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from symptoms like heartburn and indigestion. It's important to mix the baking soda thoroughly in the water to ensure it's fully dissolved before drinking. This can lead to improved digestion and comfort, especially for seniors who may be more prone to digestive issues. This simple remedy can make a big difference in how you feel after meals, allowing you to enjoy your food without the worry of discomfort. However, it's important to remember that baking soda water is for occasional relief, not for chronic digestive issues. Overuse can lead to other health problems, so it's best to use it sparingly. If you have severe or persistent symptoms, it's crucial to consult your doctor. They can help determine the underlying cause of your digestive issues and recommend appropriate treatments. Baking soda water can be a helpful tool in managing occasional digestive discomfort, but it is not a substitute for professional medical evaluation and treatment. Always use it correctly, and consult your healthcare provider to ensure it's safe for you. With the right approach, you can maintain good digestive health and enjoy a more comfortable life. Moving on to joint pain, a significant concern for many seniors. Chronic inflammation is at the heart of most joint pain. Baking soda might help reduce inflammation by creating a more alkaline environment. This could translate into less pain and improved mobility. However, it's not a cure for arthritis and should be discussed with your doctor. Baking soda water might offer support but is not a replacement for prescribed treatments. Let's address acid reflux, a common and uncomfortable issue that affects millions of people worldwide. This condition can cause a burning sensation in the chest, often referred to as heartburn, and can be quite distressing. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing that familiar burning pain. This happens when the lower esophageal sphincter, a muscle that acts as a valve between the stomach and esophagus, doesn't close properly. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a potent antacid that can neutralize stomach acid. It's a common household item that many people turn to for quick relief. Drinking a small amount of baking soda dissolved in water can provide quick relief from the burning sensation of heartburn. Typically, half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water is enough to do the trick. This is why it's been a go-to home remedy for heartburn for generations. Many people find it effective and fast-acting. However, it's important to note that baking soda is not a long-term solution for chronic GERD or gastroesophageal reflux disease. Using it too frequently can lead to other health issues. Frequent use of baking soda can mask underlying problems and may cause side effects such as increased thirst, stomach cramps, and even more serious conditions like metabolic alkalosis. If you suffer from chronic acid reflux, it's crucial to consult your doctor for a comprehensive treatment plan. They can help you find a more sustainable solution and address any underlying health issues. Supporting your filters. Baking soda and kidney health. Our kidneys filter blood, remove waste, and maintain electrolyte balance. In chronic kidney disease, baking soda might help neutralize excess acid. This could reduce strain on the kidneys and slow disease progression. However, this is a medical intervention, not a home remedy. Always consult your doctor before using baking soda for kidney health. Self-treating can be dangerous and requires professional guidance. Promoting urinary tract wellness with baking soda. The urinary tract eliminates waste and maintains balance. Baking soda can reduce urine acidity, soothing bladder irritation. It can also help prevent uric acid kidney stones by making urine less acidic. However, it's not a treatment for active UTIs. Consult your doctor for urinary health concerns. Baking soda might help with specific conditions but requires medical advice. Always use it under professional guidance. Balancing for defense: baking soda and immune support. Baking soda might help maintain a balanced pH, supporting immune function. However, it's not a magic shield against illness and should be part of a holistic approach to health. Boosting vitality: baking soda and enhanced energy levels. Baking soda might help maintain optimal pH for cellular energy production. This could translate into improved energy levels. However, it's not an energy drink or stimulant. Good nutrition, hydration, sleep, and exercise are key for sustained energy. Baking soda can be a small part of a larger approach to enhancing vitality. Outgrow your health journey: final thoughts and staying connected. We've explored potential health benefits of baking soda water for seniors. This simple remedy can offer various advantages, from aiding digestion to balancing pH levels in the body. However, it's essential to approach it with caution. It's crucial to use it correctly and consult your doctor. Always seek professional medical advice before making any changes to your health routine, especially when it involves new supplements or remedies. Moderation is vital. Start with small amounts and see how your body responds. Keeping a journal of your experiences can be helpful in tracking any changes or improvements. Thank you for joining me today. Your health journey is important, and I'm glad we could share this information together. If you found this information valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content that can benefit you and others. Share this video with those who might benefit. Whether it's a friend, family member, or someone in your community, spreading knowledge can make a big difference. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video. Remember, your well-being is a journey, not a destination. Let's continue to learn and grow together.